I've just enjoyed discussion and Anope than ever. My final question, Mibisa, I will take you back to Alan. Offer the chronicle now. Alan Cash ready for 2024. And Ugusua taute. Alan that's why our basis, our root, stronghold, NPP. Who take Canada Japan? Only the winning or the nebeba. Is it visible? Feasible, say, beat him the Alan. Abba back to NPP.
Even it's a long shot. Remote. It's not a funny part, rule out completely. But a remote. Alan, the personal pride. You know, it all the decisions you move from time to time. This time around, so bar a man for Becca say, oh yeah, a strong man. On your principled individual. In fact, me to be a cancer be. Taking a decision to leave a party, what should not be an ordinary decision. It shouldn't. Once again, we have political scientists on the camp. It be on the sun. One was a terrible decision. I don't see how Obitina Sayaka or MPP. And you remove Palm
87.9 Kumasi.
So, Alan Kojochre Martin, and Yadia Obehuni say, Obesan baby, now Oba, he will be a man of straw. What ordinary person. I don't know. That is very interesting. Anyway, Doc, my young Nyami your prediction for Kennedy, we'll say Dr. Bawuyenye 60%, you will be surprised.
below 60%.
That is below 60%, and you are expecting him to get more than 60%.
A minimum of 60%.
A minimum of 60%.
Yes.
Wow.
And seriously, the party cannot afford not to achieve that. They cannot afford not to achieve that. Otherwise, 2024 as well make now Ababe da Hokra says all over Crown Temple. If they don't vote massively for Dr. Bawumia, they are telling Ghana for say one more nyadi. Someone one more canning in no credit.
Wow. Doc, I am more than grateful. Dr. Amakye Boateng Amotene Nkano. Evans, very interesting.
Yeah, good morning, Chamano.
Yes, my brother.